Kata Heian Nidan. The techniques used. Kata movement, 1 and 4. Jouden Haiwan Ake. Blocking with the back of the forearm, upper level. Yoko Kamaai. Side guard. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement, 2 and 5. Urazuki, inverted punch. Uchi Komi. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement, 3 and 6. Chudan Yokozuki. Side punch, middle level. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement, 7. Yoko Geiri Kyage. Side snap kick. Jodan Uraken. Back fist punch, upper level. Kata movement, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chudan Shuto Ake. Knife hand block, middle level. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement, 11. Chudan Nukite. Spear hand strike, middle level. Osahei Ake. Downward block, with the palm of the hand. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement, 16 and 19. Uchi Ake. Blocking of the forearm from the inside to the outside. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement, 17 and 20. Mae Geiri. Front snap kick. Kata movement, 18 and 21. Gyaku Zuki. Punch to the opposite side of the leg. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement, 22. Morote Ake. Double blocking with both arms. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement, 23 and 25. Gedan Barai. Downward block, lower level. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement, 24 and 26. Jouden Agei Ake. Rising block, upper level. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Like, subscribe and hit the bell to get all notifications.